So today we want to show you a setup video for the ADR SpeedStar 1 and 3 manual wrapping machines. They are, except the size, exactly the same. So this is a SpeedStar 1 machine, but the process is exactly the same on SpeedStar 3. So we'll start with the heating, the cutting wire, which is normally pre-installed by us, but you may want to change it from time to time, so I want to show you how to do this. So first you insert the wire here and then wrap it around several times so it will be strong enough to keep the force on the wire. You need to make sure that you get actually a bit of pressure here, because the wire will extend when it heats up. So just while wrapping the wire around here, you need to just push this holder a little to the other side. So this is quite good. The rest of it you can just cut it off, just like that. You can leave some space here so you can easily unwrap it from the holding part here. If you want to change the position of the wire, which is sometimes needed, you can either wrap it around. I don't know if it's really good to see now. Like there's two parts where the wire can be wrapped around. So you can wrap it around on the outside, which I did now. You can also put it in the middle or on the back side. But normally you could also just loosen those screws and push the whole thing a little back. The temperature of the wire is set to the temperature which we need to cut 30 micrometer cello wrap. If you need a little more, you just need to open those 6 screws on the side here, and there's a switch where you can... oh, sorry. There's these 6 screws on the side here. You can lose them, remove the plate on the top, and adjust the temperature just a little so the wire won't burn through, and you would need to put another one on it. The temperature for the melting part is configured by this controller over here. We will see it when I switch the machine on. Oh, sorry. Like this. It is now set to 150 degrees, which is enough for most applications, but you can also readjust it by pushing the set button once. You will see the numbers will or one number will be highlighted. You can switch through with this switch over here, and then readjust the temperature with those 2 buttons, and if you press set again, the temperature will be set to the mount, which is shown in the green numbers. So then we come to the cello roll. It is now put on the machine. Then you need to put it through the first upper axis, put it back through axis 2 and 3, and get it to the front on the bottom side. Also, this needs to be over the cello. It will assure that the cello won't drift away in the process. And then you can just cut it like this. As you can see, we got this over here and this knife, which is for cutting the cello to another size, which I will show you now. As you can see, this stripe over here is now cut off to better fit your product. You can push the cutted piece just over here, so it won't get in problems with your product or the rest of the cello roll, and it will just fall down over there, and you can use the new size just as the old one. Thank you for watching.